Can you see that? Right now it's midnight and the moon is rising. It's half since the full moon is already gone. So it's half right now and still it's beautiful. It's red in color since it's rising. The fog that is covering this area, making the air glow. So the light ambience is just glowing, and it is so beautiful that sometimes the words cannot describe it. Only you can see it with your eyes to feel it. It's right now it's in the middle of the night, and this is the moon that is just rising beautifully.